Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to download and install Electrician Simulator game for free on PC. So here follow the steps. So first of all, open the Epic Games launcher and in the search store, search for Electrician Simulator and then you will see base game Electrician Simulator. Click on this. This will open this page. Now here you will see get button and the game is completely free and the free sales will end on 3/26/2026. So click on this get button. Please wait and then click on place order. Please wait, your order is processing. And then you will see view in library button. So click on it. And then you can say Electrician Simulator game has been added to my library. So click on install button. Now the game download size is 8.16 GB. So make sure your PC has enough memory space and then click on install button. Click yes to allow. And then you can see Electrician Simulator game is getting installed on my PC. You can click on this arrow button and here you can see Electrician Simulator game is getting installed on my PC. I hope by following these steps you can easily download and install Electrician Simulator game for free until March 26 on Epic Games launcher. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.